Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to teach you guys how to replace your radiator. This is my 1996 Honda Accord EX automatic. The first thing you have to do is drain your antifreezer with that little nipple right there, and I'm pouring it in that little bottle. Second, you gotta remove your battery because there's a sensor. You kind of see it for the fan. So the first thing you have to do is drain the antifreezer, remove the battery, and get a 10 millimeters and remove that bolt right here. Once it removed, I'm gonna teach you guys right now. You remove these two bolts. And then you gotta remove this bolt so you can remove the fan. Okay, there you go. And then you remove this screw where the fan is connected to. Put it in the side, and then you remove, unscrew this other bolt. And you remove it, and you lift it up. There's a bottom screw there's another screw over here, but this car didn't came with that screw in the bottom. But most cars have 2 screws in the bottom and 2 screws on top for the fan. Once you remove it, you pull it over here, and there's a sensor that I was saying about. And you connect it, disconnect this. It's hard to do with one hand. Give me a second. Okay, I got it. So you remove this, the connector, and you pull this fan out. Then you remove this fan out. You put it aside, and there's two hoses that you see. Is a transmission cooler, which means the dealers the people that makes this Hondas in the 90s century, they made this, how you say, this cools the transmission. It comes over here and goes in this nipple and comes out from this nipple, and it goes back to transmission. It cools it all, the transmission. On manual cars don't have those. And you gotta remove those 2 hoses to remove the hose line. You gotta remove the hose line. First, you gotta remove the hose line. Don't mind about the radiator, because I'm already replacing it. I'm gonna replace it. Then remove these 2 bolts. It's already loose. After you loosen it, I'm gonna put it over here with that hanger. Or I don't even know what that shit costs. Oh, this one's tight. Okay. Come back over here. Lose this shit out. Sorry about my cussing. Okay, then you lose this one out. Then you remove that cap, because I'm getting a new cap too. Then you put this right there so it doesn't move. Then you gotta remove, there's another screw you gotta remove. This hose in the back. Let me find my pliers. I'm getting my pliers. No, it's not gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna remove this hole right here. See it? Where is it? Kind of see it. That hose, the main hose, it goes straight down to your radiator. Sorry about my camera. Okay, remove it. It's just tight. Really too tight. Okay. Okay, you remove this. You remove the hose. Then move this cutter. I don't even know who put that on there. I don't remember. Then, see if I can move it. There you go. Then you pull the radiator out. Radiator, what the hell? Anyway. You move this out. Some transmission fluid might come out. So you don't worry about that. There you go. I'm gonna make another video to put. I'm gonna put the new radiator back in. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.